Assalamu alaikum guys, it's Subhan here. 7:35 in the morning, Saturday 2 of September, 2nd of September it is. And Saturday, it's a weekend. So a quick update on Bitcoin, Bitcoin movement, what happened before and what should we expect next. Starting with Bitcoin with higher time frames. Internet is not that much quite good right now. I don't know why. It was working good, but when I got up live, okay. So old story, you all guys know that this supply zone and all that shit. Okay, everyone knows this one. Price, we had a dump here on news. Then we have a again this pump on news and then whole retraced. Now on daily chart, if we see what's going on starting from weekly here, I will quickly update it on important areas to watch. So this zone is really important for Bitcoin to hold. This one, this is proper SR level here. So lower low, lower low, lower highs are broken here. Structure is bullish at the moment. The whole bullish order block placed here. We had volumetric zone as well. So these level 18K might came, but it will take time. So for now, this zone is important SR zone on Bitcoin for a bounce here. If I go back on daily, price rejected in weekly like this supply zone, then internal structure broke here, and we got a rejection from order blocks. We came down again, then this H4, a bit of structure of H4 turns bullish. We are turn bullish here. Most of people tried to long here, as I was previously here, somewhere here I got tracked out, so I got my lesson that don't long in place limits for longs. It might retrace and it will goes accordingly. So didn't long anything in Discord. Few guys longed it, and unfortunately they got out, wrecked out. No worries, up to next one. But for now, according to uh, this price action, whole price action, we have a bullish scenario here that this CHOCH here, BUS, BUS, BUS. Then we had a proper order block here. This one is our order block. So price tapped here, reacted, got a bounce. Now again came here down. So now we are looking for some lower time frame levels, which should for you we can use for scalps. There are too many, 2, 3 ranges are in play accordingly. So we will check it out. Why this level rejected from here, I will explain it on lower time frames. On H2, if you see from when we broke these lows, this one, so we created small order blocks. We no, it's not an order block, it's an supply, small supply zones, this one and this one. And the major area which most of people, including me, were waiting for short is this zone, these levels. No, sorry, this above zone, somewhere here is the levels, somewhere here, yeah, this breaker. When this low broke down, so we were waiting for these levels, this upper supply zone for to short it. I give this call on stream. We do streams in Discord, but unfortunately price didn't came here, so we didn't trigger any short. I personally didn't trigger any short. So on lower time frame we had this small supply here. It rejected. Why it rejected, I will explain it on other things. So on daily we have order block, so we know that price should behave here. So I will remove everything. Now I am marking some liquidity levels because market chases liquidity. So we have this important BSL here, buy side liquidity here, and we have this important level on the flash crash when Bitcoin happened. This low created which never tested again, and this is our range low as well. Why it's range low? Price came down and sharply goes up. This was our range high. So don't be confused in ranges here, because too many ranges will be in play here. So first we have this range on lower time frame. I will mark this as like change color. So this is our BSL here. Important level to sweep uh, like some kind of reaction if someone is looking for a long here. So sweep of this level, reclaim it, some kind of CHOCH on lower time frame, and then we can target these highs. And another range I will mark here, which is of 15-minute range. I will go for like 15-minute is visible. We have one more range formation. I think it was this one. Let me check it out once more. Yes, we have range high and then again another range low here. So these are two important levels. Now we have two ranges. Higher time frame plays is here. This one range high, range low, and this is our BSL level. This is range lower time frame range. So right now what price is doing here, that it came here, one swept, reclaimed here, but to go further up we need a CHOCH here, which is my, I will mark this zone as a POS, this one. So if price, if this one or this one, but I need a strong reaction in this zone, like go straight up, some kind of like, and go like this, sorry, like do something like this, a volumetric candle, then here and then go back. This is a plan for right now. I have a plan, this one. Another plan which I'm thinking about is sweep this level here, give some kind of CHOCH or reclaim low range, and then target this one. Two plans. If plan 1 didn't work, this CHOCH, plan 2 didn't work, then the important and real plan will be this range low, and that which I'm waiting for patiently. Important one, which is this low, this range low. If we sweep this, we reclaim it, and then we can target this range. Yes, we can play level to level, like we can, this will should be our mid range. So target 1, target 2 will be like kind of this. But for now, these two ranges are in play, and we should act accordingly. Don't be a Superman to catch every move. Wait for your levels. And one more thing, which is here, I will, like, suppose nowadays we know that price pumped on news, dumped on news. Same happened here, dumped on news. So any kind of pump, if we observe like straight came down, and again we don't know, those who are following crypto from 2-3 years, they know that Sunday scam pump might happen. So if price came straight up in these levels, that is a short zone. Simple, that is a proper deviation we have above these levels. So it confirmed here that this is our proper range high, took a reaction here, then broke down. So retest of this range will be our short. But for now, price is near to those levels. So we'll focus for longs. What will be our plan? We will plan out like uh, sweep of this level, sweep of this level, reclaim, and then we can jump into longs. For now, what is price doing in this zone? We will discuss it. We know that ranges, we know our levels. So on lower time frame, or when price retraced, CH here, BOS, again BOS, main BOS, this one. So we created some kind of order block here. This one is our order block. I will mark as OB. So if price, I have set some limits here at 25,960, some kind of stop above these this BOS zone, this one. So I'm targeting this this BSL level here. I'm targeting this BSL. So it's three or my entry is, I think, 29, 25, 960. My stop is 26, 150. Yes, and target is 280. Where is target? 3, no, 280. So it's my target, and it's good RR trade, I guess 3.58 R. So I'm giving it a try here, because this BSL didn't swept. Why they didn't swept? And structure is like BUS here, order block here, and if I combine some more confluences, hopefully it is also here. EMAs, if I check EMA, I didn't check it. So on H1 EMA, what is doing H1 EMA by the way? Bang, bang, bang. 30-minute, no, 15-minute. Yes, 15-minute is also coming down. So it is also coming with us, and I will remove EMA, 200 EMA. I use, okay, some more level confluences, beam levels for, okay, any levels we have. Okay, we have previous day high, so we are using soft stop loss here. It means if FM15 closes above, then we will close our short, otherwise we will wait, and might be rejection here, and then to target previous day low as well we can target. And this is beautiful liquidity setup is also building up here. If you these horny, this one, and then we have this. So a good liquidity is building up here, this one. So good drawing, I'm good in drawing. So yes, these two levels are important. Above liquidity, I don't think so there is much above liquidity. So yes, there might be a short squeeze in the box. We can expect a short squeeze out of the box, but we have our levels, we will respect, and market structure is with us. So I'm giving it a try. This is a whole Bitcoin story for now. Now going back on USDT chart, let me check what it is going on USDT chart. Okay, I didn't record anything, but Discord members who join stream, they know that we had this whole thing already marked, this breaker and this small order block here. So it worked, really perfectly worked. Weekly chart, it is bullish. Higher highs, creating higher highs. So order block is demand zone was there and it is going up. On daily, yes, we have these highs left to be swept out. If price goes up, it will sweep these levels, and we might in near future we might tap in this zone as well. Then we can come down. So it is also matching with my BTC thesis. Another thing should we check out of what CME gaps. Gaps everywhere, gaps. I will remove this and this as well. Lower time frame, this is a gap on M15. Yes, so this gap was filled, and if yes, I checked it right now. So we have another small gap here which filled partially, and it is also matching with our BTC short bias. So yes, another confluence is here for our short bias. BTC CMA non-new gap here, and on higher time frame everyone knows that I'm waiting for these gaps to be filled out. Sooner or later came here, go up, or go up here and came down here. So this is old story. Anything else important list? Oh yes, how can I forget about cyber? cyber Cyber, I'm scalping it. Cyber, I'm doing a scalps on it. Remove everything here. There is one trend line. This FEG is also here, and we have our golden pocket here. So yes, it is working quite perfectly right now. It came here slowly. I longed here somewhere here right now. If you like this, why I longed, let me show you Twitter, my Twitter. Okay, no, I'm not subscribing. This long, like 3 hours ago, I longed on basis of when it got a reaction here. It retested on lower time frames. I longed it and I closed here. My stop was here. Some 3-4 hours I got it. Now again it retested this level. It means this is a proper level, and it might go straight up here. But one more thing, because I'm a market structure, I read out, and this is my style of trading. So I will remove these things. This is my on lower time frame. CHOCH happened here. If and this is some kind of breaker supply zone, and main CHOCH here. So I'm expecting it to go up here in this zone. I checked out what we said, volume. It was not up here. It is here. So it might shift here when if price came up here. So I'm expecting it to go like up. This is my CH zone. Go here, and my golden zone is here. So same I will do, like I will wait for rejection. If rejected, price rejected here, retest, I will short, stop will be above some highs, and target will be this low. So this is my plan on cyber. I have shorted it quite few times, like whenever any reversal happened, I shorted it. I short this reversal. Then I tried again here. No, somewhere here I got stopped out on break even. Yes, this one, this one. We have cancelled it because our entry front ran or something like this happened. Then boom, again shorted here on lower time frames on M1. And before going to bed yesterday night, I shorted it again here on lower time frames. Then got long here. So quite interesting coin. It is risking too much less on it, but yeah, scalping is good one for getting $50-$100 from a single trade in a few minutes. So that's a good, quite good. I longed it here. Previously I longed, no, in this zone. This was this is previous day low, but before that day, this was the high of that previous day, somewhere here. So on M15, on M5 there was order block. I longed that shit and till 11. Yes, I 11 here. A few of my friend knows. So yes, going good for now. Now watching this level or maybe some kind of harmonic X A B C 886 something here. It is valid or no, but looks like it's valid. But let's see. This is zone here. Right now, volume is not at that zone. Like if I mark this zone, volume is volumetric zone is this one. So it might get shift up here, but I will wait. Rejection at these levels will be a short. If someone wants to risk something on it, I will not recommend personally. But if someone wants, he have extra money, spare money, and he want to trade some few bucks on it, this is your setup here. This is your setup here. 1.64 hour, like 24% move if you want to catch out. So yes, it is here. And this is what cyber is doing to our trend line. This this 2 hour trend line is a truly going like a strength line. I will call this as a strength line of cyber right now. Once it broke, it will break down. So first time in a while, this huge red candle. This is a proper displacement candle. So I will trust it. I will trust my technique and my levels, my whatever I have learned, and I used to trade for it. So I will try a short in it because in a while, whenever it start moving up, first time I saw some kind of weakness on it. So I will definitely try a short in it for high RRs. And then other than that, I have eyes on Solana. I will remove this shit. Solana is trading in a range. Range. We had a mid range. And this is a previous week high. It swept out here. My plan was to short it, but I have in double mind that this is a previous week high. So if it swept here, it didn't swept properly. So why not to retest it or go up to a bit up more up here? But it when this happened, CHOCH here, that breaker, I marked it. Then I thought it might get up because Bitcoin was not that much like in good form, and this trend line was also building here. So I thought it might be a trap, and it could it might break out here and go up, and then we'll short it. But unfortunately, I was just watching it, and it almost go down to the zero. How much percentage it goes down? Like 10%. So yes, now my plan is to reclaim this range here with a volume. Give me a CHOCH here, uh, go up here, and then when this will give me a CHOCH, I have already marked this zone will be my breaker zone. So I will add some longs here. Stop is here, target 1, target 2. So simply Solana plan is here. Other than that, lower low, lower highs are creating on lower time frame, scalping. Here are you, you can short or try, you can try a short on here on Solana, target this low. I will check out some other lows if we have pending lows. We don't have pending lows because this low is swept out. So yeah, this looks promising for now. Solana and CHOCH and then up INJXRP dot TYX BLZ Unfi. Yes, I have Unfi as well. Unfi, people are shorting it, but I will not recommend to short this shit as well. And on cyber, there is I didn't saw a weakness yet, a proper weakness. But Anfi, it is clear that this is a proper weakness candle. The on cyber, it was a strength trend line. I will call this is a weak trend line here. So this is a building up here. This is not steep. This is too much straight. Once it break, it will not give us a retest as well. It will go straight down. But for now, higher high BUS again BUS here. So this was order block. I marked it early in the morning. Right now it is doing good, taking support here. On order block, some kind of liquidity is also building here, and inverse head and shoulder. Yes, left shoulder, head, some kind of right shoulder, and we have a neck breakout. It can go up once more to these levels. Once more. So yes, it is going up. Some kind of liquidity is generating here. So what should our plan? What should be our plan on this one? If I check M15, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower lows, lower highs. So a good candle closer above here, that will be a good long. And if I consider this is a CHOCH, this zone, or maybe this zone. So we have proper order block here. This is my proper order block. And where is my volumetric zone? This is not up yet. Yes, it is here. So it means they might get, they might pump it once more. I will check this coin because I have memories with this coin. Too much memories I have. And I had memories on this wick. in 2022. Yes. So when it straight moved up to 43 and then straight come back to $12 and it stabilizes there. So I had few early this was the range. When this move happened, there are inverted head and shoulder, and too many things were combined, lining up. So same thing happening here on cyber. People are shorting it. They will on Anfi it was in one day, but cyber taking time, so that's also a good thing. So we are back in this range on Anfi, and it is going up right now. Any levels to watch? Any weekly level? I will check out any sell side liquidity. If pending, then we can wait for that liquidity to sweep to get into short. Okay, internet. What happened to internet? Okay, we already have swept this one. These highs. Let me check. These highs are swept or not. I didn't check and feed, neither traded it yet. So we have some levels here. This one, this one, and this one. So three important levels. Unswept highs are here. Necked highs. I will call these as a necked highs. So if anyone got into long hair, like this is a proper higher highs are creating. So I will consider this as range high, range low. No, I will not consider it. It's a dhoka. Should I have long this motherfucker? But I don't have. Oh, no worries. Yes, wait for these levels to swept out once. Three levels we have. So that will be a good zone. I am watching it. If some kind of bullishness, if I see here lower low, so this is lower high. Order block is this one. Rejected again. So if broke out here, that will act as breaker again. Stop here, and you can try along on like some kind of proper breakout here. Few 5-minute green candle straight here till here in this zone. Then on retest you can long this shit here with stop here, and you can target these zones. Good RR trade it is. So for now, Anfi is also done here. Anything else should I check out? See what it is called. Ethereum, same thing happened on Bitcoin. Didn't swept Ethereum, swept this low. Same, this low is also pending. So same shit is going on this order block, and hopefully the volumetric zone will be there soon. Okay, so same with Bitcoin. Same, some bids here, stops here, a quick 1 hour, 2 hour trade. Let's see. So hope everything is clear and clear, much well cleared. Right now, Bitcoin is generating some kind of liquidity here. It is not getting tried once, rejected. It is getting too much rejections here, so why not go up here and then reject? So we will wait, and overall my view on Bitcoin, I will remove these extra things here. This is my view on Bitcoin here, and this is important zone I marked, SR zone here, and no, this is not the chart. Where is my chart? Here it is. Yes, this one. So yes, we will wait, and we will wait patiently for this BSL here, these lows and range high, range lows. So this is for my side for today. Inshallah, we will see what happened next, and I will update accordingly if price reclaim these lows and it gives some kind of reaction here on H4, H3, CHUCH. I will update a video and I will give a trade call, inshallah. Till then, see you. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye. Thank you.